Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delay clicks on Honor 200 Pro. You can delay clicks by going to Settings, then Accessibility Features, Accessibility, and scroll down to Interaction Control. Click on Touch, and you can change tap duration to either short, medium or long, and you can also test this area for tap. You can see now I can click on this picture with a short tap, but when I, for example, set it to long, I need to press and hold for a moment, and then it will tap. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.